Hey, welcome to Lion Energy. I'm Sean and I'm going to show you some great new products from Lion Energy to help you with your portable power needs. You know, a lot of us are needing to have power when we're out on a job site, or we're out doing play and fun, having great activities, or maybe even in the case of an emergency where the power goes out and we want to just feel secure and safe in those type of situations. We've got great products that go across the board to help you with those portable power needs. Let's talk about one of the great new products called the Safari LT. This little guy can go with you anywhere you need to have portable power. If you think in terms of the familiar gas-based generators that have all the noise and you've always got to worry about how much fuel you have and maintain that guy, this one is the replacement for any of those type of generators. It's a great solar-based portable power unit. Let's talk about all the variety of things that you can use this guy for to power in the times of need or play. If you're doing heat because you lost power in your home during an emergency, we can help you with that with this guy. It goes across the gamut from your lights, communication devices, medical devices, tools, power your tools. You want to go out and have your Traeger grill and have your tailgating. This guy can power all of that. And it's only a little over 10 pounds, so it's super lightweight. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of this little bad boy. I don't have to worry about fuel. I don't have to worry about noise. I don't have to worry about maintenance. I don't have to worry about the weight trying to lug this other generator around. This guy has it all. Let's show you some of the features on this product. First off, to turn it on, it's simple. A push of a button gives us the display indicator so you can see how much power is already stored inside of the unit and how much each of the devices that you're going to be plugging into draws the power out. So it's a great handy tool right here. You've got your output devices, so you can output to 4 different USB ports. You can output to 12-volt cigarette lighter output. You can also do drones. So if you're out flying and having fun with your drones, you can charge directly from here as well. And you've got 2 110 outputs here on the side, so you can plug in any of the devices that you need to do that way as well. As far as charging capacity and how you do that, this little guy you can charge either through the wall, so you just simply plug in the charge controller from the wall, or if you'd like to, you can use the standard Anderson cable off of a solar panel and charge it or through the solar, which is great. We love the environment and we love people. Let's be kind to both. So let's take a few of our devices here and actually show you how this works, and then we'll talk some tech. So yeah, say that 10 times fast. Let's do maybe the lights. So we want to plug in our USB. We just simply take the lights or a device that has USB. We turn that on, and you can see with our lights, these individual 3 lights are LED lights. You can turn on and off now with a particular handle here. And that's one of the great easy ways to show off and get lights when you're in trouble. Well, I'm out on the job site. I've got power tools. I need some supply that way. So here we are with our drill, and we're going to just simply turn it over to the side here, hold down, and we're plugged in now. You can see that we're activated on our AC. I'm going to plug that one in, and notice that we're now going to start charging our batteries. Great for out on the job sites. You can plug in laptops, like I said, Traeger grills, all kinds of different things to help make your life as enjoyable as you can with your power needs. Now, let's talk tech stuff for just a second. We've already talked about the weight. It's super lightweight at just over 10 pounds. This also, the LT puts out 500 watts of power at a time. So any of these devices that you want to plug into, as long as they are under 500 watts, you can plug them in. You can also plug multiple ones in at the same time, as long as they don't exceed the 500 watt output. It stores energy in what we call watt hours. And so how much time you can operate into these is measured in watt hours. This has 450 watt hours. So for instance, these little lights right here that we plugged in a minute ago, you can run those for 112 hours if you wanted to. The CPAP machine we talked about, overnight, no problems. The drills, everything you can run for long periods of time depending upon how many you have plugged in at the same time. That's the Lion Energy Safari LT portable power unit. you need to get one of these. It's awesome. It will help you in emergencies. It will help you with your work site. It will help you with play. Thanks for joining us today. Have a great time out camping or doing whatever you need to with power at your fingertips.